They say if you bend the bumper, you might as well wreck it all. That chrome's the line between pride and a fall. Keep it straight, keep it clean, don't let nothing touch the steel. 'Cause if the front stays pretty, the rest will stay real. I never been a bumper, never broke my word. Kept my rig rolling like a song you ain't heard. There's truck drivers and there's wheel holders too. One hauls the load, the other just gets through. A truck driver knows his rig like the back of his hand. He'll fix it, fuel it, and still make a stand. He'll shake on a deal and mean what he said, while a wheel holder's just along, half asleep, half fed. I never been a bumper, never broke my word. Kept my rig rolling like a song you ain't heard. There's truck drivers and there's wheel holders too. One hauls the load, the other just gets through. There's truck drivers, yeah, some are outlaws too. Hauling high and heavy, breaking every rule they knew. Supposed to tarp it, weigh it, sticker on the glass. But if the load pays Christmas, you let the law slide past. One cold morning, loader man said, we gotta move this coal. I said, need my inspection. He said, buddy, hit the road. 3 days later, trooper flagged me down. Said license and registration. I gave a smile, not a frown. Left my license on the nightstand, health cards in it too. He said, bring it to court, like he already knew. Your sticker's dead, he said, tags are dead too. No tar, only thing you got's a load, and too much by far. I said 10-4, and he just shook his head. Didn't cuff me, didn't yell, just wrote me up instead. Didn't take me in, just let me keep on rolling. Said see you in court, and I kept that diesel going. I never been a bumper, never broke my word. Kept my rig rolling like a song you ain't heard. There's truck drivers and there's